Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can add a product category in Wix website. So firstly, just simply open your browser, then just simply go to your Wix website and log into your profile. Now after that, when you are in your dashboard, just simply go to your portfolio, then click on collection or category. Now you are in the collection page, which is also known as category. So over here what you have to do is just simply click on the plus icon over here or click on new collection over here. These both are the same thing, so just simply click on any one of them. Now just simply create a new collection. So for doing that, just simply enter a name, for example sales, then just simply add a description if you want. Now the next thing that you have to do is just simply add a cover image. So just simply click on the plus icon over here. Now upload the media from wherever you have saved. It might be in your computer or your board or somewhere else. So just simply go to that place and upload the media. So in my instance, I have it on my computer. So I'll just simply click on upload media over here. So as you can see over here, you have option to upload your media from wherever you have. So just simply click on any one of those and you can upload your media from there. But for me, it's in my computer. So I'll just simply click on computer. Now just simply click on upload from computer. Now just simply go to the location where you have saved your media and just double click on that media and wait for a few seconds till it uploads. Now after the media is uploaded, you can crop the media from over here or from here as well. So if you want to do that, just simply do it. Then just simply click on that media, then click on set as cover image. Now after you're done adding your cover image, the next thing that you have to do is add a product. So just simply click on add a product. Now give a product title over here. Let's say tape. Then just simply click next. If you want, you can add a description over here, or you can skip this part. It's up to you. And after doing that, just simply again next. You can give basic information about that product over here as well. After doing all of that, just again next. You will link few medias to that particular product. So just simply do that and then click done. Then again just simply click done over here. Now just simply click on manage and press save. Then after that, just simply click on save and close over here. And if you want to make any more changes over here, you can also do that, like location, date, role, check type, custom, or a description, or even changing your SEOs or adding more collections over here. You can do all of that. Then just simply press save and close over here. And after that, you will see that a new collection has been added into your collections. Then to check your new product, just simply go to home, then edit site, then just simply click on preview, and then just simply go to the place where you created the collection or the product. So for me it's in portfolio, so I will just simply click on that. Now over here you can see the collection that I made, so just simply go inside that. Then inside the collection you will see the product that I added. You can add multiple products like this in that one collection. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.